Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shares Guitar, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing because this is where you learn how to play the guitar from scratch as a beginner. And I'll entreat that you leave in the comment section any kind of questions. If you've been through my beginner tutorial series, check leave in the comment section. Don't leave it empty. Try and say something, say thank you, or maybe you have a question. Just leave it out in the comment section. We want to continue with our recap from our beginner tutorial series that we did a few years ago. We did the basics. We went on to the finger practice, the finger exercise. You know that the finger exercise is the most important part. The basics is the most important part. Know the strings, know whatever that is on the guitar means, and know your finger exercise. Learn how to tune the guitar. It's not mandatory for a beginner, but when we go further, like playing the major scale, which is what we are going to do today, it is going to be required. So I will go straight to the major scale, which is what I was doing. So we want to focus on the let me skip to the part where I can show. So if you look at the screen, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. So we know that in the major scale we have do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la so fa mi re do. That is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So we just want to keep that pattern, and when you start your do from the third string, this is the pattern. If you're going to divide your fingers, let me come to this screen. If you're going to divide your fingers for divided frets, you are sharing 4 frets with 4 fingers. So if you took note of our finger exercise, this is the major reason why we did just four 4 frets, so that we can share amongst these frets. So you know that from the screen we have do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la so fa mi re do. So that is just it for the major scale, and there are other shapes that you might want to try. When I come straight to this side, you want to be able to play on all strings as well. So just on this same position on the 5th fret, that is, we are playing in C. So if you are able to go up, let me see if I can bring myself up. So that is what we know. But what if we want to go back? So when you check what's on the screen, you'll be able to follow along. So always locate where the ones are. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 do, 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 do. You can make this one a practice, maybe a regular practice. Let me shift the microphone a little bit. You can make this one a quick a regular practice, maybe a weekly practice for yourself. Maybe it will help you to master the fretboard. So you see I'm on the 8th fret, 6th string. That's the do. And you know that whenever you play the a note on the 6th string on that same fret, you have the same note. That is what you saw on this on the screen. So that's basically it for the major scale. I wanted to add one more. So permit me to move to the 2nd string. To make it easier, let's switch the keys, because on C we have an open string. We have if the C is here, the 1 is here, I have to play the open string before I get the 7. I wouldn't advise we learn it this way. So let's try and shift forward and play C sharp. So okay, so 1 2 3 4. So just so you understand what is being done, I wish I had another one that I was larger. Okay, so so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let me see what I have here. Okay. So we have the thing on the screen, and let me try and enlarge it a little bit. Yeah. So if I move further, will I get the top? So if you realize, I was trying to go up further. I was trying to go up further. So from C sharp. So you see, I decided I'll end on the do. Maybe you can choose to go. And if you remember, since we have come back to the do here, we get back to the 3rd string part. So I think you can be practicing this so that you'll be able to freely move around with the major scale. Yeah, thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Don't forget to share to your friends. Sharing is caring. So thank you, and see you another time. Mm. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine, heir of salvation, riches of God, born of His Spirit, worship